Customizable lighting scenes transform a big family kitchen into a flexible space that supports cooking, homework, movie nights, and casual gatherings. Start by zoning the kitchen into task, prep, dining, and relaxation areas, and assign each zone its own controllable fixtures so lighting levels match activity needs. Use tunable white sources that shift from warm to cool color temperatures to reduce eye strain during homework and to create cozy ambience for evening meals. Program scene presets that combine intensity and color temperature so you can activate a cooking scene with bright cool light for counters and warm dimmed light over the dining table for simultaneous activities. Add dimmers on task lights, under cabinets, and over islands to allow fine control without changing all fixtures at once. Include motion-based night mode that provides very low, warm illumination on paths to prevent trips without waking everyone. Finally, store scenes in a central app and assign simple voice or keypad triggers so anyone can select the right scene quickly. Homeowners often set up a single bright lighting level for everything, which causes glare during homework and bland ambience for meals, so create and test multiple presets to match real routines. Another common issue is neglecting transition lighting, which makes changes feel abrupt, so program smooth fades of 2 to 5 seconds when switching scenes to reduce eye discomfort. A third problem is relying exclusively on overhead lights, which kills depth and contrast, so add layered lighting like undercabinet task strips and pendant accents to balance brightness and avoid shadows. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like programmable kitchen lighting and scene design, and our discussion community lets users swap ideas, wiring tips, and fixture recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct contact so everyone can match skills to needs.